Today is the 24th of December 2020. Many traditional Christians all over the world getting ready to celebrate the birth of the Lord Jesus Christ. This is something which really has awakened me to understand some of the things that are practiced in the world. Now, if you look at a group of people that come to real attention during this period is the shepherds. The shepherds visiting the child when he was born in Bethlehem. And the good old book says the shepherds were watching their sheep in the night. And this was really puzzling to me many times. I questioned many times and asked, why would the shepherds watch their flock by night? The night they have to be inside their sheds and the shepherds have to go to sleep. It is during the daytime the sheep are taken to the places of where grass is, where water is, fed them and looked after them. And the shepherds need to very delicately look after sheep. The sheep are very delicate kind of an animal. So the shepherds pay a huge amount of attention during the day in letting them feed on the grass, drinking water and taking them to those places. So the greater responsibility of the shepherds takes place during the daytime. What puzzled me was, why would the shepherd watching their flock by night? And I went into in-depth study of this. And then I found out it is during the lambing season that the shepherds have to watch their flock by night. There's a season for lambing. In other words, the bringing their little ones. There's a lambing season in Israel. And it is happening in Israel, in Bethlehem is in Israel. It is the lambing season that shepherds watch their flock by night, because again a delicate status when they are lambing, when they are bringing their infant lambs into the world. And therefore there has to be very close attention has to be paid by the shepherds for the sheep who are bringing forth their little ones. So the lambing season in Israel, in Bethlehem, is not during the December, which is winter. Otherwise they will not be able to watch their flock by night because it will be frozenly cold. The lambing season in Israel is during April, May, which is called the month of Nissi, according to the Jewish calendar. So the reality is, the real birth has not taken place in December. It has taken place in month of Nissi, according to Jewish calendar, in April. But the uniqueness is the responsibility of the shepherd. Look at that. During the daytime, they look after them, feed them, take them to the waters. But in the night time, particularly during the lambing season, the shepherds have to really pay attention, very close attention. So any professional job, there are many folds in our jobs, in our professional engagement. We cannot disown any engagement. We cannot only say it is only 8 to 5 I work and that's my responsibility, then I leave it. If you want to bring value to your job, whether you are a shepherd, whether you are a carpenter, whether you are a farmer, whether you are a banker, whether you are a scientist, whether you are a businessman, the commitment has to be there 24 hours. Of course, you need to sleep, but you need to see when the business when the engagement is crucial for you to pay your attention. Sometimes we forget to pay our attention to crucial things, important things. Thereby, we lose our accountability and responsibility and ownership. So the shepherds have to take ownership for their sheep, not only during the daytime, in the night time, particularly during the lambing season. Not only take the ownership, they need to take responsibility and accountability to make sure that the sheep bring forth the lamb during the lambing season rightfully. Ladies and gentlemen, this gives us a good lesson that we need to be conscious of all the time our responsibility and deliver it according to what we are called to deliver, at the time to deliver, when and where and how, at the right time.